In this video, I'll detail how to turn off switch control on iPhone 12 series. So if you're using iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, this video will walk you through how you can easily enable or turn on switch control on your device. So if added on this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or enable switch control on iPhone 12 series, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and then on the settings page, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now, once you selected accessibility, I want to scroll down as well and locate switch control. Then locate the switch control button and turn this off. Then once you click on switch control button to turn off, you'll see a message that says important. Are you sure you want to turn off switch control? Go ahead and click on yes. To disable that, that's going to turn off the switch control function on your iPhone 12. So in summary, to turn off switch control on iPhone 12, you need to go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and click on accessibility, then locate switch control and then toggle off the button to turn on and turn off switch control. So that's how you can easily turn off switch control on iPhone 12 series. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.